Fingerprints can be classified broadly as loop-shaped, whirl-shaped, or arch-shaped. Only 5% of the world's population have arch-shaped fingerprints. Consider a random sample of 36 people and let p hat denote the sample proportion of people with arch-shaped fingerprints. The probability distribution for p hat is shown below. On the basis of the diagram above, is it appropriate to use the normal distribution to approximate the distribution of p hat? Justify your answer. Well, we can see that this distribution is positively skewed, albeit not by much, but it is positively skewed. So the answer you should give here is no, and the reason is not symmetric. You probably should put those in an actual sentence, but that's the gist of it. A larger sample of 500 people is selected at random. Determine the probability that more than 30 people in the sample have arch-shaped fingerprints. So, let's define x as being a binomial with 500 trials and a probability of success of 0.05. We're after the probability of x being more than 30, and remember the binomial is a discrete distribution, so that's the probability of x being greater than or equal to 31. And we can just do that on the calculator. 0.1309. Use the approximate normality of the distribution to determine the probability that the sample proportion of people with arch-shaped fingerprints is greater than 0.06. So, p hat is going to be approximately a normal distribution with 0.05 as our mean. Remember, we were told 5% of people have this shape of fingerprint. And then the variance will be 0.05 multiplied by 1, take away 0.05, divided by 500. And that's 0.05 and 0.00095. And remember, this one is the variance. We need the standard deviation for the calculator, and that's going to be the square root of the variance, which is approximately 0.00975. I have rounded this figure just here. And then, once again, that is just done on the calculator. The probability p hat is greater than 0.06 is going to be 0.1525, correct, to 4 decimal places. During this particular question, I didn't actually show you the use of the calculator to get this and this. You should have done that lots of times in class.